In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change your address on Depop. Let's get started. First, if you want to change your billing address, launch your Depop app, navigate to the My Depop page. Once you're over here, click on three bars. Now here you're gonna find different option. Click on the option preferences. Inside this, you're gonna find the option of billing. Click on that. Here you can update your billing details, whether you are using it as a personal account or a business account. Just edit the information and save it. Now, if you want to change your shipping address when buying an item, go to a product like shoes or any item you want to purchase, add it to your bag, and then open your bag from top right corner. Tap on checkout and under the shipping section, tap on ship to. Then select edit where you can delete your old addresses and add a new one. You can also keep multiple addresses saved and choose the one you need at checkout. Lastly, if you want to change your country or region, go back to My Depop, tap three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Edit My Profile. From there, choose your country or region and update to your current location, and that's it. This is how you can easily change addresses on Depop. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.